Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I am doing a proof of concept, making stuff up as I go. Made a temporary milling station out of some ladders, some plank, and my 880 still with the Granberg Alaska chainsaw mill. So what I'm trying to do is make one cut on this top piece of cedar I milled up a while ago, because I want to make a bench seat for my girlfriend Amy. And so I just need to make one cut, and it doesn't have to be precise. I know the measurements are going to be off by maybe 1/8 of an inch from one end to the other because it's not perfectly square, but that's okay because it's just a bench. So got my ripping chain on here, and we're going to make a cut all the way across. I'll give you a quick walk around, and then let's do it. So we have a couple Warner ladders with a straight ladder, the mill set up with the 880 inside, 36-inch bar, ripping chain. Gonna hit this piece of cedar here and basically make roughly a 3-inch slab, which will be the seat of a bench. All right, so that went pretty well. Ended up with a 3.5-inch slab, and I'll take this off and flip it over and show you what the bench will look like, sort of. So this piece of cedar I milled up last year, but now that I took the top off of it, I have a nice flat bottom to build a brace or a base for a bench, and this will be the bench top. It's roughly 6 inches, 6 feet long. Anyway, so that worked out pretty good. Able to cut this piece of cedar, got a bench bottom. I keep saying bench bottom. If I say bench bottom a few more times, it's gonna sound weird if I keep saying bench bottom. Anyway, my impromptu sawmill with some plank and a couple ladders seemed to work out. I might leave it set up and cut a couple more pieces just for the heck of it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take care and peace out. Bye.